Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Fenvi FWD-R616U Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug the Fenvi FWD-R616U extender into a wall power outlet near your router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the device to power on. The power LED light will become solid, indicating the extender is ready for setup. Tip: always do the setup in the same room as the router for the best connection. Look for the WPS button on your router. It is usually located on the back or side panel. The button may be labeled WPS or have a circular arrow icon. Press the WPS button on your router. The WPS LED on the router will start blinking. This means the router is searching for devices to connect. Important: after pressing the router's WPS button, you have about 2 minutes to connect the extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Fenvi FWD-R616U. The Wi-Fi or WPS indicator LED will start blinking. The extender will now automatically try to connect to your router. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes. When the Wi-Fi LED becomes solid, it means the extender is successfully connected to the router. If the light keeps blinking or turns off, repeat the WPS process again. Unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Select the network. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.